You will type the correct answer on notepad. After 10 minutes, I will come to the seat and check how many are typing and how many are not. Clear? So just raise your hand if you know the answer. One question to online class, one question to offline class. This question is for offline class. All of you have to type the correct answer first. The x-axis or the horizontal axis is also known as, yes, beta, category axis. Very right, very correct. It is category axis. The correct answer is category axis. The y-axis or the vertical axis is known, this question is for online class. The y-axis or the vertical axis is known as, yes, Prerna, unmute yourself.
Value axis.
Very correct, value axis. The correct answer is value axis. The title given to chart is known as, yes, Pawan, chart title. Can you see the correct answer? Chart title. How many are typing side by side? Correct answers. Chart title. The title given to x-axis is, the title given to axis is, yes, Suhana, unmute yourself.
Axis title.
Axis title. Very right, very correct. The title given to axis is known as axis title. All right. The component which is used for identifying details of data points is known as, yes, no, it's not legend. Yes, data labels. Very right, very correct. Data labels. The bar or the slices that represent data values in the chart. Data series. Data series. The type of chart in which categories are organized horizontally, values are organized vertically. Yes, Nitya.
So bar chart.
It's column chart, beta. It's column chart. Now tell me, the type of chart in which categories are organized vertically and values are organized horizontally. Bar chart. Bar chart. Proceeding to the next question. The type of chart which shows part of the whole items that make up the data series to the sum of the items. Pie chart. The correct answer is pie chart. Clear? The type of chart which shows magnitude of change over time. The type of chart which shows magnitude of change over time. Yes, Bani, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Area chart.
Yes, very right, very correct. It's area chart. The correct answer is area chart. Very right, very correct, Bani. All right, next. The type of chart which shows trends of data at equal intervals. Yes, Bhavya. No, it's not radar chart. Yes, Nitya. Nitya, unmute yourself. Nitya, unmute yourself. Yes, Suhana, unmute yourself.
Line chart.
Yes,
Line chart.
line chart. The correct answer is line chart. The type of chart which shows relationships among the numeric values in several data series as one series of XY coordinates. XY scatter chart. Very right, very correct. Good response. XY scatter chart. The type of chart which shows
आदित्य सर एक मिनट करेंगे
the type of chart which shows values as points connected by some lines in a grid that resemble a spider net. Radar. This is radar chart. Am I clear up till here? Online and offline both? Now, 49th question. The type of chart which shows data values as points connected by some lines in a grid that resembles a spider net. Radar chart, already repeated question. The type of chart which shows the market trend given by opening price, bottom price, top price, closing price. Yes. Online class. Yes, Prerna, unmute yourself.
Stock chart.
Very right, very correct. Stock chart. It is stock chart. Am I clear up till here? All of you? The type of chart which is combination of columns and lines. The type of chart which is combination of columns and lines. Columns and line chart. Column and line chart. Very right, very correct. Good. The type of chart which compares a set of three values and displays three dimensions of the data. Yes, Nitya? Nitya, unmute yourself. Yes, Prerna?
Bubble chart.
Bubble chart. Bubble chart. All right. Now we are starting the questions of group and tab names. You are to create the chart. Which group should you click? Which group we should see? Edit group? No. Yes, Bhavya. Charts group. All right. Which tab? Which tab? Yes, Prerna.
Insert tab.
Insert tab. And which option? Chart type option. So click on insert tab. Under charts group, we will go with the chart type option if you want to create a chart. Am I clear? Am I clear to all? Where don't press the key so hard. All right, you do one thing now. Minimize the notepad window. All of you open MS Excel. All of you open MS Excel. Opened. Now in MS Excel, click on A1 cell. Click on A1 cell. Give the heading roll numbers. दे दी हेडिंग रोल नंबर की. Now come on B. अब first 5 roll numbers type करो. 1 2 3 4 5. Type the roll numbers 1 2 3 4 5. Now go in B1 cell. Click on the B1 cell. B1 उसके साथ वाला. वहां पे लिखो names. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Now go in C1 cell. B1 में name, B1 heading हो names और 5 नाम टाइप करो नीचे. Then in C1 cell, write marks. Give the heading marks. And first बच्चे को marks दे दो 90. Next 85. Next 95. Next 80. Last 70. 85 के बाद 80. सारे मार्क्स दोबारा बोलना एक बार. Okay, done. Now select the column of names and marks. Done. Selected. Now follow this method which is displayed on the LCD. Click on insert tab. Done. You will be seeing the charts group. There will be one charts group. Done. Click on chart type. मिला भव्या? Chart create करो. Create the chart. Make the column chart. Who has done? Whose chart has been drawn? Raise your hand. Bhavya and Pavandeep, they have drawn the chart. क्या हुआ प्रणव? चार्ट नहीं क्रिएट हुआ क्या बेटा? MS Excel नहीं है? How this is possible? Click on the box near the start button and type MS Excel. How this is possible, beta? Excel होगा. Please search it. So next question. Now keep MS Excel open only. Name two tabs that appears when chart is created. Now chart is on the screen. There will be two new tabs that you will see upstairs. टाइटल बार के बाद दो नए टैब अपेयर होंगे. ऊपर देखो टैब जहां पे इंसर्ट पे क्लिक किया था. डिजाइन, फॉर्मेट, click on the chart. Click on the chart. You will see two new tabs. आगे डिजाइन और फॉर्मेट. Yes, 7C. पवन आ गए. भव्या. So two new tabs that will appear when chart is created is design and format. All right. Name the function key which is used to quickly add the chart. अगर आपको बहुत फास्टली चार्ट इंसर्ट करना है तो विच फंक्शन की यू विल क्लिक, यू विल प्रेस, सॉरी, F11. F11. Press F11 from the keyboard and see what will happen. हो गया बेटा? तनिष्क, क्यों? प्रणव, हो गया? आपका हो गया? ऋत्विक, लास्ट बॉय, हो गया बेटे? अनमोल, ऑल राइट. अब ये स्टेप चलाने हैं. इन ऑर्डर टू चेंज द चार्ट टाइप, क्लिक ऑन डैश ग्रुप, क्लिक ऑन डैश टैब, क्लिक ऑन डैश ऑप्शन. यस प्रेरणा, प्रेरणा अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Yes, click on dash group, type group, click on dash tab, करो, click on design tab, design tab के अंदर type group में जाओ, and there will be one option, change chart type. Have you seen? All of you click on the design tab. You will notice one type group. Then in that type group, you will see one option with the name change chart type. Got it? All right. Now we are to change the layout. In order to quickly change the layout of the chart, click on dash group, chart layouts group. Under which tab? Design tab. Click on the design tab. Now, when you have clicked on design tab, check out charts layout group. In that, you will have one option, quick layout. How many have found? Offline class. सबसे पहले डिजाइन टैब पे क्लिक करो. उसके बाद चार्ट्स लेआउट ग्रुप में जाओ. उसके अंदर क्विक लेआउट का एक ऑप्शन होगा, क्विक लेआउट. बेटे चार्ट क्रिएट हुआ है आपका? चार्ट वाले क्रिएट करो. आपका हो गया? आपका लास्ट बॉय, इज इट डन और नॉट? बेटा इतनी देर से मैं बोल रहा हूं, क्यों नहीं हुआ? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू क्लिक ऑन डिजाइन टैब. हो गया आपका? All right. Name two icons which are present in format plot area dialog box, fill and line effects, fill and line effects. Okay, name 3 icons which are present in format data series dialog box. Fill and line, effects, series. These are the 3 icons which are present in format data series dialog box. All right. Now you are to name 2 tabs which are present in format access task pane. Access option, text option. Access option, text option. All right. Now I want to change the location of the chart. I want to shift the location of chart. Location group under design tab. Click on design tab. You will see one location group and there you will click on the option move chart. Okay. डिजाइन टैब पे क्लिक करो, लोकेशन ग्रुप में जाना है and there you will see the option move chart. Okay, am I clear? Beta, just see the LCD. I'm opening MS Excel here. Those who are having doubt, please see here. I told you to type names here and marks here, no problem. Name is A, B, C, D, E. And marks I have given 90, 85, 95, 80, 70. Okay. Select the data, make it bold, increase the size. Okay, expand the column, right? Now select the data. All of you select the data. Click on insert tab. Under charts group, this is the charts group. Everybody see. Online class, is MS Excel visible to everyone? Beta, don't raise your hand. Please lower down your hands. Is MS Excel visible? Only raise your thumb to tell me. Prerna, come on the video and tell me if MS Excel is visible. All right. Select your data. Now offline class, see the LCD. Select your data. Beta, click on insert tab. You have this charts group. Inside this charts group, you can see various type of charts. This is column. Click here and I'm choosing this chart. See here. Now carefully see the LCD. जैसे ही आपका चार्ट क्रिएट हुआ, ऊपर 2 टैब्स अपने आप आ गए, डिजाइन एंड फॉर्मेट. 2 टैब अपने आप आ गए, डिजाइन एंड फॉर्मेट. Am I clear? Am I clear? Now, clear all of you how to create the chart? क्यों नहीं हो रहा? ये देखो कलर चेंज करो चार्ट का. You can change color of the chart by clicking on change colors button. बेटा डिजाइन टैब पे क्लिक करो, चार्ट को सिलेक्ट करके डिजाइन टैब पे क्लिक करो. So many colors are there. You can display chart in any color. Like I have chosen this green color. Now see the first button, add chart element. डिजाइन टैब पे क्लिक करके फर्स्ट बटन देखो, add chart element. Here so many elements are there. Keep on adding the element. ये नाम दो इसको, यहां लिखो names. Give the name to the X title names. ये देखो बेटा, ठीक है, नेम्स आ गया. दिस इज टाइटल टू द एक्स एक्सिस, टाइटल टू द एक्स एक्सिस. नाउ अगेन सिलेक्ट द चार्ट, क्लिक ऑन डिजाइन टैब, add chart element, primary vertical. Now in vertical you can type marks. You can type marks. Okay, clear? See here. Yes. बेटा चार्ट को सिलेक्ट किया, डिजाइन टैब में जाओ, बिल्कुल फर्स्ट बटन है ऐड चार्ट एलिमेंट्स. किस किस का हो गया? इंसर्ट टैब में जाओ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिलेक्ट योर डाटा. Select your data, then click on insert tab. टॉप पे बेटा insert tab होगा. Inside that you will see charts group. वहां से कोई भी चार्ट क्लिक करो, आपका चार्ट क्रिएट हो जाएगा. बेटा add chart and axis title, primary vertical. Okay, am I clear?